Hello guys, welcome to Gist Media TV. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe and also click the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop a new video. The executive governor of Ondo State, Akeredolu, said that the state is not part of Yoruba rights activist Sunday Adeyemo, also known as Sunday Igboho's Oduduwa Republic, adding that he cannot speak for Yoruba people. Governor Akeredolu stated on Monday while swearing in some government officials, including the new secretary to the state government, Oladunni Odu, in Akure. Akeredolu, who is also chairman of the Southwest Governors Forum, said Ondo State will remain in the Federal Republic of Nigeria as constituted. To comment on the current agitation by some people who express grievances arising from the challenge of nationhood, the noise generated by seeming inaction or passive indifference on the part of the elected and appointed representatives of the government at all levels appear to be responsible for the growing disaffection in the land. There is problem, no doubt. While some have been measured in their reaction to this problem, others have been less diplomatic. It is common to find groups and individuals purporting to act or speak on behalf of the rest of us. Did you ask them to speak for us? People just stand up and say they are speaking for a people. Who invests you with that authority? While it is right for citizens to discuss, agitate, even fight to right perceived wrongs, and even people ask for self-determination, I don't think there is anything wrong with this, but this must be done within an acceptable parameter. We cannot continue the way we are going. All of us must be concerned and agree to achieve a desirable end. There must be common platform through which the demands for the most mundane to the sublime be presented. There must be general consensus. This must be articulated and presented after rigorous engagement on the level of intellection and agenda for the action, Akeredolu said. He added that self-determination must be a collective program of action. Nobody can speak when others are not part of it. Let me state unequivocally that Ondo State, under my watch, will stay in the Federal Republic of Nigeria as constituted. We recognize that there are reasons that certain anomalies be right. Nobody is running away from it, but we still continue to encourage dialogue as an effective tool in resolving disputes. We will also not shy from joining others to insist on socio-economic justice. We will, however, not subscribe to and recklessness in putting forward our demands. We will not in Ondo State subscribe to that. So if people are shouting out at this time, Igboho will speak for you, it is not going to work. And those who have not been speaking for us will not speak for us. Let us be clear on it. We will stay in Nigeria. We are not running away. If you could recall that the Oduduwa Republic agitator, Igboho, had stated that he and those who believe in his cause will always defend the Yoruba race from aggressions. According to Igboho, there is no basis for one Nigeria as insecurity spreads to the southwest region, adding the only solution is for the Yoruba nation to stand on its own.
ṣùgbọ́n ibi tọ́mọ Yorùbá bá ń lọ làwọn ń lọ tó dára kí tọ́mọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá táwọn olè Yorùbá bá sọ pé we are going if our elders tell us that we are going but as I'm talking now every bandit on Yoruba land We are in the camp now. We are waiting for you. We are in the camp. We are preparing down for you. We will not have AK-47. We believe in the ancestral power of our Oduduwa. We will crush you. We will crush people one after the other. Bring your AK-47. See, no AK here. Nothing. Nothing. All those AK now, forget. See bush here. This is a neutral ground. You see neutral ground? You see neutral ground? Left and right. We are coming to Ogun State. Very soon, all of you bandit Boro member will make sure
want to sue now for the land again.
We will ensure you cry inside your blood. These are your people's cutlass now. Now one by we got the collection of that bring and go bring and see plenty here. We not touch them. We are collecting what they have. By the time we strike, Buhari will open the mask and confess, say, I am not your president.
Exactly. Oh yes. Nìkan tó ń lọ yìí, a bẹ̀rù anybody. A bẹ̀rù anybody. A dúró togun, a dẹ̀ dúró togun. Who be you anybody? Tó bá pé Yorùbá ni ẹ́, you are confirmed. Jáde tán sí wa. Kò ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Bọ̀tá ẹ pé ìlú ọgbà Agẹdẹbọdẹ ni ẹ́, máa bọ̀dẹ̀ jẹ́ lọ́ máa fi mú ẹ̀kọ́. Àti rẹ́dì, àdẹ̀tí rẹ́dì. Gbogbo àwọn lọ́balọ́ba tó ń gbàbọ̀dé fúnlẹ̀ Yorùbá, ilẹ̀ Yorùbá bá bàjá. Gbogbo ọba lọ́balọ́ba tó ń gbàbọ̀dé fúnlẹ̀ Yorùbá, ilẹ̀ Yorùbá bá bàjá. Adúró tọkàntọkàn, ẹ̀rù òbodò.
Ohun tá a nílò, ẹ fún wa ní mọ́tò tó nítumọ̀. Àwọn ò kì í ṣe bẹ́gà o.
Ẹ̀yin gómìnà.
Ẹ fún wa ní loss. Give us me one who is the Yoruba 100 million, like 200 million. Tell me, lè fún 95 million kalẹ̀. Tell them Bob club yẹn ni fúlà náà ti pa ẹ́. Àṣẹ. Mọ́tò la nílò. Ẹ̀yin náà wọ́n máa àbí almost 20. Báìkì là ń gbé wá. Ṣé báìkì ṣe ṣáré ní express ni? If you give us what we want, don't worry. We are not going. We don't need for AK-47. We don't need AK-39. Ordinary hand.
But our one go for you.
See, we are.
More
than 3 days now. That's why I don't go. But our Fulani here, one new water.
Wo gbogbo fi gbogbo kan rí kan tá ṣe ń tẹrí gbogbo ìjọ
wá gbọ́ tí bá jáde jẹ́ pé ọmọ Yorùbá ni mo jẹ́ tọ́gbọ́n jẹ́ Fúlàní tọ́gbọ́n Yorùbá ni wọ́n bí mi tí èsè Ghana náà ti gbójú mi wá bí ti ọmọ àlè Aláké ọ̀fẹ́ Aláké torí Fúlàní ló bí ọmọ àlè yẹn wo 100 million.
Ẹrú Buhari ni ó ti ṣe fún Buhari rí.
Buhari ni. Abájọ ọmọ ẹ̀ ò ní náwó yẹn.
Àṣẹ.
Olú kí ni wọ́n pè òkè yẹn òkè tó wà ní Olúmọ yẹn òkè Olúmọ gọ́gọ́gọ́ ó máa gbẹ̀jẹ́.
Àṣẹ.
Mo fẹ́sì mi ò gbọ́ fẹ́sì o. Sunday ẹ̀ kọ́ gbogbo ayé máa gbọ́. Ọba Aláké ìwọ àti Tinubu wo tó bá jẹ́ pé òótọ́ ló fẹ́ gba ìbọ̀dé fún Yorùbá ò ní dé president yẹn.
Àṣẹ.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá ní gba ìbọ̀dé president yẹn ojú ọ̀bọ̀dọ̀ dáadáa.
Kiriji ò kí ń lo face mask àti kí ń bojú because we are law abiding somebody. We don't carry AK-47. We are Yoruba warlords. We are less concerned about AK-47. Bring your AK-47. You can come with AK-47. We will match as a man to man with you with your AK-47. We are here. We got an information. And we came here, we did not see anybody again. Let them show face. We don't need AK-47. Ẹ̀yin jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá check in Somali. Ẹ ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Ẹ fún wa. Mọ́tò la nílò. Ẹ má ṣàwọn kí n tún wà lẹ́yìn tí ṣe tẹnìkan. Ẹ fún wa ló ká lọ ra loss. Sí nọ́mbà. Ọmọ Yorùbá ní àwọn kan wà sálẹ̀ kòkó tá a gbọ́dọ̀ kó jáde ó sì yé yín. Ṣùgbọ́n torí òfin àní kankan náà sára máa wí. Ó wà ńlẹ̀. Gbọ́n ni.
Wọ́n lẹ̀ bí yẹ
pọ̀. Orí aṣọ gẹ́dẹ́gẹ́dẹ́.
Ọmọ Yorùbá tó bá rọ ọmọ Yorùbá lọ́wọ́ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá máa fún ní nǹkan. Bọ́ tó bá gbàbọ̀dẹ̀ fúnlẹ̀ Yorùbá ilẹ̀ Yorùbá bẹ́ẹ̀ jà.
Ṣé gbọ́?